is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I'm so excited because I'm here in my apartment and this is the second video that I've done here and I'm like, what? I'm so excited and we're back. I've just been kind of wanting to do like a neutral look and it's actually crazy. I have no glitter. I know your mind is blown. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Alright y'all, we're going to start with just some concealer on the lid. And I'm using that Wet n Wild from the last video because I actually really like it. I've been using it in my daily get readies and it's been doing really well. It covers up dark circles. I would have loved if I could have found a brighter color concealer, but it does the job. My heat just came on, so if you guys hear it, really sorry about that. But we're going to dip into our BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette. And we're going to pick up the mauve, pinkish, brownish color, if you know what I mean. I'll show it on the screen. And then I just pick it up and cover the top like that. And then I just kind of shake it if I feel there's excess on there. That way it doesn't go on my under eye or anything like that. Speaking of that, I'm about to put some setting powder underneath my eye before we start. Now, I am going to just use this 513 brush and I'm going to map out this shadow as far up as I want it to go. That may not be important to you. You may just like naturally know where you want it to go, but I don't know why it's such a big deal to me, but it is. Because y'all know what it's like to be doing your makeup and be like, ooh, I'm going to do this today. Then you do it and it's nothing like you pictured. And then I just use these windshield motions until I feel like it looks even. Then I just use my little color switch and I just take the brush, swirl it around, and all of the pink shadow should be gone. For extra measure, I like to also rub it on like a washcloth, just regular washcloth, or even you can use toilet paper. I do it. I'm not ashamed. It works. Then we're dipping into the brown color, which is right next to that mauve color, and we're going to place it right in the crease, dead center in the crease. Dipping back in. I dip back in when I can tell that it's not as pigmented as I'm going back and forth, and then windshield motions, that's when I know I need to dip back in and pick up some more shadow. Like right now I'm doing it again. So I'm trying to get it to a depth where I can see the difference between the first color I put and the current one. That's how you know when to dip back in and add more color. Then we're going to pick up that brown right next to the white color in the Ultimate Matte Palette. Now I switch brushes and I'm using an M514. And we're going to place that in the crease also, but I'm actually being careful, making sure not to take the bristles up because I don't want to, you know, cover up the other brown. I try my best to explain these things the way like my mind sees it. So I hope that it helps somebody out there. Okay, since that didn't come out as deep as I would have liked it, I picked up another brown. I'll show you. And we're just doing the same thing we did with the last color. So I'm going to use from the Tartelette Matte Palette, I'm going to use the color Multitasker because I know that one's going to be extremely pigmented and really, really dark. And I'm just going to focus it on this outer portion of my eye. And I'm going to use the same brush because why not? Yeah, see how much darker that is? Wow. Patting motions to lay the color down on there. And I'm going up to the crease, but I'm not going to start blending in the crease until I clean my brush off a little bit. And now it's even a deeper brown. And I'm in love, you guys. This is exactly what I was picturing in my mind. And I'm about to do it to this side and then I'm going to cut the crease halfway, so be right back. Did that, and now we are going to blend in this little part by just basically doing the same thing we did earlier, except this time I'm going to use a shader brush, that way I can densely pack on this dark brown. So yeah, I'm in my apartment. That is so awesome to say. One of my biggest goals and like dreams, you guys, was to get an apartment, and here we are. Oh y'all, I prayed so long like just to have my own place. Like even years ago I've been wanting to have my own apartment, and here it is. I feel so grateful. And yeah, so we are filming from the bedroom. It's not all quite set up yet and it's gonna take me a little bit of time to get all the furniture that I need. Alright, we did that. I hope they're even. Y'all, I swear I have the worst time making my eyes even. Now time to do the under eye. Now we're going to add some, of course, white liner. Alright, now I'm going to go pop on some lashes and finish the mascara and then touch up the rest of my face and we'll be done. Alright you guys, here we are with the final look. I went with red lipstick again and I'm really praying that I don't do my whole outro with lipstick on my teeth. But yeah, what do you guys think about this look? It's not that like extravagant. It's actually pretty simple, and I actually just realized I have no glitter. Have I lost my mind? Anyways, if you guys like this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
And y'all will laugh so hard at me if y'all saw what I was doing. I thought this was a mirror.